lovely people. I'm happy to have you guys back on my channel. You're on to the beautiful stitches. Stay tuned for today's tutorial. It's going to be a wonderful one. Before I forget, if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you'll be getting notifications once I post my videos, and also like and share my videos. One love. Let's get started. Before you embark on your sewing, the basic thing you need to get is your sewing machine. As you can see on the screen, your sewing machine is very necessary. We also have our pattern paper where we draw our patterns. There are some patterns you need to draw on your pattern paper first before you transfer it to your main fabric. Okay, we have our scissors for cutting your fabric and cutting your thread. We have our pattern marker. This is used to draw your patterns on your pattern paper, marking out your measurements and the rest. We have our tracing wheel. This is used to trace out an area where you want to cut on your fabric or where you want to mark out. This is how it is used. You trace it on your fabric or your paper. It will show you a dotted line where you can mark out your pattern or cut out your fabric. We have the measuring tape used to take measurements on your clients or on yourself. And also, if you don't know how to use or read the measuring tape, you can check my description box. There is a link there that will lead you to how to use a tutorial on how to use and read the measuring tape. Here is our thread. We have it in different colors. You choose the color that is suitable for your fabric. We have office pin used to hold our fabric in position while drafting your measurements on your fabric or your pattern paper. This is a safety pin. It is also used to hold your fabric in place or to put in if you want to fix a rope in your fabric. This is our seam ripper. Maybe you made a mistake and you want to lose your fabric. This is what you use to remove your thread from your fabric. This is also another form of seam ripper, and it looks like a mini scissors. You can also use it to cut. This is your tailor's chalk. You use it to draft out your measurements on your pattern paper or your fabric. This is needle, hand sewing needle. You can use this to tag on your fabric or to sew on your fabric, whichever need you want to use it for. This is our tape. We have the paper tape, we have the transparent sellotape. Whichever one you want to use is up to you. So we use this to hold down our pattern paper on our drafting table. All right, we also have our rulers. This is a ruler. It's used to draw straight line, horizontal line or diagonal line, and this is a T-square, also used for the same purpose as a ruler, but it's longer than the ruler. We also have a longer ruler which is longer than this. This is our curves. This is our French curve. It's used to draft out curve on your pattern or fabric. It also has a side that looks like a ruler. You can also use it as a ruler. This is also our French curve too. This is used for your armhole. It also have the same purpose with this. So whichever one you can afford to get is up to you. This is also a curve too. You can use it. Both the three of them have the same purpose. You can use them to curve out your armhole, or if you have any important curve you want to map out on your fabric or pattern paper. This is a hip curve. It is used to draft out the hip, the shape of the hip on your fabric or pattern paper. So it's very, very necessary for you to have this. Then we have your jotter or your writing material, where you draft out your measurements. You write out the measurements on your paper. You have pencil, you have pen, whichever you want to use, you use it and write on your jotter. Thank you very much for watching till the end. This is the end of our tutorial. For you to start up your sewing or your fashion business, you need to get these tools in place. There are so many tools, but these are the basic ones you need. Thanks for watching till the end. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please, I beg of you, what are you waiting for? Click on that notification bell and subscribe so that you always get notified anytime I upload my videos online. Thank you very much for staying with me to the end. See you in my next tutorial. Bye bye.